back to EngPod AI. I'm Maria.
And I'm Alex. We're here to help you unlock the complexities of the English language. Thanks for joining us for our third episode.
Today, we're diving into the world of phrasal verbs. These little combinations of a verb and a preposition or adverb can change their meaning completely, and they often confuse learners.
Absolutely, and we're going to focus on one very common verb, take. We'll explore some of its most useful phrasal verb combinations. Get ready to add some powerful new phrases to your vocabulary.
Let's start with arguably the most common one, take off. It has a few distinct meanings, so pay close attention.
The first and most literal meaning is when an airplane leaves the ground.
For example, our flight is scheduled to take off in 20 minutes. The plane took off later than expected due to the fog.
The second common meaning is to remove clothing or an accessory.
It's hot in here. I'm going to take off my sweater. Please take off your shoes before entering the house.
And the third meaning is to suddenly leave or become successful. We use this when talking about a person or a business. He just stood up and took off without saying goodbye. The company's new product really took off last year.
Next up, we have take up. This one mainly relates to starting something new. The primary meaning is to start a hobby, sport, or activity. For example, I want to take up yoga to help me relax. She took up painting after she retired.
And another meaning is to occupy space or time. Think of it like this. This big sofa takes up too much space in the room. That meeting took up half of my morning.
Moving on to take on, this phrasal verb is about responsibility. It means to accept a new responsibility, challenge, or task. The manager had to take on more work after his colleague left. She's decided to take on the challenge of learning Mandarin.
Let's look at take back. This one's simple but essential. It means to return something or retract a statement. I need to take these faulty headphones back to the store. Return. I didn't mean to insult you. I take back what I said. Retract.
And finally, a great one for talking about family, take after. This means to resemble or inherit the characteristics of an older relative. For instance, he really takes after his grandfather. They have the same sense of humor. She doesn't take after either of her parents. She's completely unique.
All right, listeners, time for a quick review. Which phrasal verb with take fits the blank?
Number 1, he looks exactly like his father. He really blank him.
That would be takes after. He really takes after his father.
Great. Number 2, if you want to get fit, you should blank a sport. You should take up a sport. Start a new activity.
And the final one, the boss asked me to blank the new client account.
The correct answer is take on. The boss asked me to take on the new client account. Fantastic work if you got those right. Remember, the best way to learn phrasal verbs is to use them in context.
Try using one of these phrasal verbs in a sentence today. Maybe you'll take up jogging, or maybe you need to take off your jacket.
That's all the time we have for today. Thank you for tuning in to EngPod AI.
Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next episode.